to slide it in, but sometimes sliding it in, it doesn't, your light strip is just bigger. So you'll just mess it up more, and that part isn't really connecting. So I've found that you can just kind of stick it on the top to see if it works, and for the most part they do, because your light strips are they're going to be different sizes than what these connectors are, just because they're not exactly made for it. So that's connected. So that's connected. Now remember,